In the aftermath of Hurricane Harvey, residents, businesses, volunteers, and responders are doing everything they can to help one another. The folks at Sake Sushi Bar and Lounge in Port Arthur, TX are among those going above and beyond to lend a helping hand to those in need during these difficult times. Keith Nguyen took to Facebook to applaud the efforts of his father, Phe Nguyen, and his uncle, Bin Nguyen, who own the restaurant and have been working non-stop to provide delicious meals to those who are running out of food.